would've caught him cheating, getting his.
Which girl can say she stress me out? Me harder.
Nope. Not gonna happen.
Nada. Just give me the lights and pass it.
Welcome. Hey. Boxcover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to a brand new Top 10 Social Media Countdown. Thank you so much, Burritos, for just loving the recent uploads. The feedback has been tremendous. I'm just loving the feedback, the way you've been showing up, sharing, liking, commenting, and most importantly, subscribing, because you know we are on the road to 300,000 subscribers, and so far we are moved with some alacrity, and I definitely love to see that. So if you haven't subscribed as yet, please to go and do so. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds to go and wait. If you subscribe, YouTube will give you a nice little, animation on the button as you hit it. So all of them look at excitement there. Anyhow, let's get into this week's Top 10 Social Media Countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Kitty How's Out. Yeah, I need to work out my tongue. All right, okay, well, let's go and move along. Anyway, so, the newlyweds are out. That is Ian Wilkinson and Miss Kitty. No, she is Mrs. Kitty. She is Mrs. Wilkinson. So the Wilkinsons are doing their little social media thing out and about, prancing and enjoying themselves. This is not the first they've been out together, because about a year ago they were spotted at the Food Awards, but people never really know the little dealings, them what did that go on them time there. But now that everything is out there now, they've been seen at the recent JA Food and Drink Festival. They were out there, enjoying themselves and dancing up a storm. Take a look. That is it, Kitty roping me in another thing. And so I'm very, very happy to see that they are, just enjoying their marriage, newlyweds and all of these things. And so I just wish them all the best with their union. All right. Number 9, influential case, Miss Shanzi. Okay, Burritos know. So some time ago, this story, made headlines. It had to do with the influencer couple, Shanzi and Nino. Yes, man, they've been in a relationship, they're married and all of these things, and I enjoy them life. Always touring and just, staying away from all of the drama. But the drama got to them when there was a blogger who popped up and she made some statements about the pair, and the pair decided that they were not going to take it lightly, and so they lawyered up.
Great like Tony the Tiger. Great.
So according to the Jamaica Gleaner, socialites Shanzi Adair and Nina Adair have been granted a default judgment against blogger Sharmonique Hines by the Supreme Court of Jamaica. Let me go down into the story for you now. So Sharmonique Hines went far beyond insult and vituperation. Vituperation. No, man, we are all about learning right here now. So I have to go find out this now. Hey, Siri. What does vituperation mean?
Vituperation means bitter and abusive language.
Oh. The statement then went on to say that the defendant published these damningly false statements in multiples on her Instagram page, on her Instagram stories and Instagram live, and a rippling effect was observed whereby members of the public visibly began to rely on the said defamatory statements to share newly formed views about our clients' integrity. Burritos. You see why I say you can't just get up every day and go call yourself a blogger and YouTuber who don't understand the ramifications of just going out and just chatting all kind of things that cannot be substantiated. Okay? Into vituperatious. That's how the word go. Vituperation. I need to remember it. Vituperation. Burritos. Make sure you learn the word and use it in a sentence right now. I'm going to count to 3. Wait, hold on. I'm going to give you some time. Think about in a sentence. 1. And after 3 more, you have to give me a sentence with vituperation or vituperation. How you go again? Lord God. Only get it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, Anthony. All right, Keisha. Okay, not a bad sentence, you know. Not Marcia. Not bad, Kim. Big up. Oh, good use. Good use of the word Kim. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Lord have mercy. Sean, bother. Sean, just give it a rest. Give it a rest. Give it a rest, Sean. Give it a rest. All right, burritos. So I just think this is a cautionary tale in America. We saw it happen with Tasha K. With Cardi B winning her case against that blogger for making some false allegations. So we definitely have to be careful. And we saw recently, what appeared in the media with that local blogger here. So just be safe and be careful of the things that you say about people online. Okay, that is it. Number 8, grandma clap back. I have nothing to say, but take a look at this grandma who, yeah man, just she's with it. Take a look.
You know what, for what they want make me a move, so they have one spell and I can't, I don't know what happened to my head. He just tell me, say, to just be talking.
Oh, then you know something? Make your head tell you, say you can't, Tanya. You make your head tell you, knock you up back and say, head, which part me I go live? You can't, Tanya.
Mama, first thing first.
JJ, click. We want to go look around.
My head can't agree with you, and my head can't agree with JJ.
Move on before JJ, before we take the pan and chop you. Move on before him. I play thing you want to make. Stop that, don't talk to him. I play thing you want to take him make. You man know you play thing.
You take who make what?
You man know. Not even.
What? What you say, Mr. Man?
I say you pick up talk. I'll get you make it sing where you talk to him sitting. Make him take to me alone. So you talk to him pretty, but me talk to him, make anybody hear. Make them hear, so you want to walk up on the...
Man, that is a strong woman. And she have the spirit and the maroon inside of her. Just look at the way how the woman just take charge. No, man, she was an era leader back in her fair days, man. Probably as a matter of fact, she look like she's an era leader right now. Because the way how she get her husband and she just say, listen, me will deal with this. Just maybe she knows him have a little pressure and him easy for worry. So she just say, here what, you just calm yourself down and relax. I got this. I got this, okay? So go on around there, man. Like, that is it. But to that grandson, leave your grandmother alone. Leave the woman alone. But honestly, like, to those of you who still have no grandparents and alive, it is definitely such a treasure. And it's such a precious thing. So as much as you can save at the moment, just please to do so. Take the videos them with them, carry them out, take pictures, just, yeah, man, cherish the moments. All right?
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
How do these quiz announcers manage to keep a straight face?
Identify this person.
That is not Khadijah show. Obviously something they don't pass the questions. It's something. Don't say Khadijah. Come make me look like idiot. No.
Number 7, Tyla in JA. Okay, burritos know. So Afrobeat artist, pop artist, and all of these things. Tyla, she made a visit to the island of Jamaica. Me don't know what going on in Jamaica, but Jamaica is just the busiest place right now when it comes to attracting these celebrities. But then at the end of the day, we need to remember that Jamaica is also a very popular tourist destination. So it shouldn't really come as a surprise for many of us. So Tyla, do y'all know who Tyla is? Well, Tyla is a rising artist. She has one of the biggest songs, especially on TikTok right now, with called Water.
Make me sweat, make me harder.
And honestly, people, like, she is definitely such a rising star. Like, she's just been doing such an amazing job with promoting this particular single, Water. So she came to Jamaica. We see her there looking like herself. She is a natural beauty. No need a makeup for be a cutie. Of these things, and boy oh boy, I wouldn't mind she collab, you know, like honestly right about Tyla, please to go and find yourself Shenseea, because Shenseea, she do her thing, she work up the little vibe, but I think if you and Shenseea come together, man, that would have kind of put her over the edge. I feel so. You don't feel so to Berritos? Would y'all be here for a water remix with Shenseea? Yeah, man, sound off below. Number 6, Spice Scare. Okay, so Queen of Stage, Spice, recently went live, and I guess she shared that she shared more about the unfortunate situation that occurred with her last year. Was it last year? When she had her medical scare. Unclear as to what was happening, but it seems to be some sort of religious ceremony where Spice took the mic and gave us this added insight.
And it was only the grace of God why I'm standing here tonight. So this event that I'm doing is to celebrate Jesus tonight. And that is why I didn't put my name Grace on the stage. I want to step away so you can look and see. I didn't put my name on the stage. I put Jesus up here because it's not about me tonight. It's about Jesus. Because he's the reason I'm standing in this room. I'm walking in this room. I don't know if nobody really understands. Can you open the passageway? Because I want everybody to see me. I don't know if nobody in here, we all know we're going to die one day, but that don't give a time you get up and think about death. But when I was laying there and they were telling me that I may not make it, I started to plan my funeral in my head. I started to think I didn't even have a will. And I couldn't speak. I was on a breathing machine. And it didn't matter how famous I was, Santana. It didn't matter how famous I was. And it didn't matter how much money I got. I wasn't thinking about nothing but God. I wasn't thinking about nothing but God. And so I started talking to him in my mind. I lost my...
Oh, okay. Wow, I can't so scared now. Honestly, you know, I'm not going to tell Spice never for do our testimony. Like, I just actually appreciate this. This is grace that you're seeing. And I just don't really understand everything, but I don't think it's really for all of us to understand. The fact of the matter is, Spice, she went through something, and so she's dealing with it in the best way that she knows how. And so I'm just hoping that, you know, she continues to take care of her health and to just stay safe, because at the end of the day, she's a mother, and I'm sure she wants to be very much present and active in her children's lives. Number 5, parent fight. No, Berritos, no. This video was just utterly disgusting. This video went viral, and it actually attracted the attention of the Ministry of Education, and all kind of children's rights jumped in because of this video. So remember to show you a little piece of it. But can you believe that these two women were fighting? One of the women who actually had a child in her hand, and in the middle of the fight, can you believe, so the woman fling down the pitney? Fling down the pitney down her ground. Fling down the picnic down a ground like say I choose they throw up one piece of dog bone and spit it out. Like, I could not believe that this was a real child and not one plastic bag. Because I couldn't even own a flesh and blood you were dealing with like this. And so I'm very, very happy that the Child Protection and Family Services Agency did, you know, put out a statement and did let the public know that the child seen being dropped in viral fight was now in the care.
Just watch a video a while ago with a girl a fight with her baby, and the next girl a chew and lick, and the baby does get beer lick. You know, wickedy.
And so all I have to say now, like, right about now, like, mothers do better, parents do better. Come on, man, no fight is worth doing that to your child. Gosh. Number 4, Simone, ready, me bangarang. Okay, Berritos know. So veteran broadcaster Simone Clarke was recently on the Boya Things podcast. The new season was starting now, and so Boya Things, you know, Karim, he was there interviewing her, and in the middle of the interview, he managed to, you know, make sure to talk a little bit about Neville, because for quite a while, people have been saying that the two would make a pretty good pairing, and so this is what she shared.
One of my viewers actually asked me to ask you if you would give Neville a chance. Let me just say though, right? That
was it Neville who asked you to ask that?
You can come outside now, Neville.
Oh my gosh.
Would you though?
No.
Okay. Well, it's
no. Because Nev and I have a different kind of relationship.
Yes.
And I think half of Jamaica or more thinks that we ought to get married.
Yes.
Or be together.
Yes.
But it's not that kind of party, guys.
You know
I'm
what?
so sorry.
It's just the chemistry, right?
I love
and when
him.
people work.
Hey! You see Kareem? And so at the end of the day, Simone is saying so the two of them too close for a cross the line deck. But if them probably never be so close, maybe them would have, but them kind of in too deep. And the little friend and bestie type of level now, so them don't really want to complicate things. But, when pressed further, Simone did reveal that she's actually open to marrying again, finding love again.
I am not dating.
Okay.
Do I see my eye on somebody? Maybe.
Okay.
That's your only scoop for today.
Would your daughter...
And so, boy, Valentine's Day is coming up. And so, from the look of it look like, say, Simone might have somebody. And so, maybe by February, we can, might say the little person pop up. You get me? Might say the little person pop up, Maybe we see the person already. Maybe the person has been interviewed on Smile Jamaica. We don't know. Because same thing Jeezy and Jeannie might do, like come each other set and come interview and all kind of things, and the public never knows from them time that they look into that start. So we don't know, but I'm just going to wish Simone all the best. Number 3, Quake, Tune, Burritos. How often I'm going to tell you that Jamaicans are just so incredible. We're so creative. We're so innovative. The fact that we can just like make things so fresh and so new and always being comedic, like that is just like a skill that has only to be attributed to God. Him alone could have do that. Do this and be to it. But so this video is a further testament of that. Just take a look about what this DJ did about the entire earthquake saga.
Let me pull it up. We can't run it back, you sure? I can run it back now. Me find out say Jamaica shake 5.6 magnitude third peak. People are ball, some say them no care. Cliff ball out, figure and run under the chair. Feel like Jada a dance and a tape. The last time she shake, she fuck up over 80. And me say, and inna the ear, dog, as a real yard man, oh, it coulda never shake you mad. Who that a run and a jump and a hide when me look at the Mitchell family. That me chin ask, here is the baby, a GMR start act like him crazy. A rebel still a dance, she a vibe, she a drink like she still the Romy's birthday party. I run the crap from a list, cause see which one rebel? You better run when the earthquake. Come on, yo.
Pull up! No, honestly, that shell. Burritos, how much out of 10 you're gonna give this tune? Sound off below.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
Alright, so first up on the Big Up segment, I have to go on Big Up veteran artist Beres Hammond on getting his honorary degree from the University of the West Indies. Also, we have to go and big up Sean Paul and Shenseea on being featured on the From the Block series. Them definitely did represent what a way Sean Paul sound exactly like him record. Like, yo, that voice and that clarity. And Shenseea, I see how do you think of the rapping game, Like, I still prefer you with the dancehall thing, but honestly, I'm here for Shenseea the rapper. Like, me go give her because honestly, this girl is just such an all-round talent. Like, she's one of them other artists here where you can't say do this and beat me. Come on, man. I know this is your friendly reminder to please to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. I'm waiting for tonight. Well, all right, I'm done with it. All right, let's get back to the countdown. Number 2, teachers dance. Okay, me dinky mini. Or was it the Crudgers? Me no remember. Burritos. So, you remember the last week's social media countdown when I did my intro dance and I did it to this. Yes, Burritos now. So that sound has been trending on TikTok. It is quite popular. It's the latest dance that if you can catch it, you better try to see if you can catch the dance as best as possible. And it looks as if these particular teachers learned the dance and decided that they were going to show it to their students. I don't know what kind of performance this was, but I am very much here for it. Take a look. how you mix the old with the new. That is how you captivate, get the attention of the students and bring in our culture. You see the skirts them with them inner. You see the type of movement how them bring in the little new moves, but them bring it in and say, listen, this is nothing new. We have been doing this from long time. Them carry back to that JCDC competition, DSD. You get me? Them bring it, go around them little something. Yeah, what Gen Z know about them little something. Yeah, who don't know that? We don't know about that. I don't even know about GIS. Come on, man. You hear GIS and probably think of a new bus system. You don't know them little something there. Go take up in a book and go learn about history. Oh God, why did I go up on a whole entire tangent a while ago? Honestly, burritos, I think when you used to me by now. Like one thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go off on a tangent. But when they look at me, I'm here looking at Uno. And so we're all in this together, hashtag High School Musical. And so if you're here right now, I just want to go and say, big up the people them who are watching the videos them right now in a better watch. When they in a better watch because when you probably come from a little stressful day at work or not about to go to work and I say, no, I'm going to listen to the big head boy at Dutty Berry. And so for that, I really honestly salute Uno. Big up on yourself. Woman, you might be in the bed and your man want to sleep, but you say, no, I'm going to go give Dutty Berry a little strength. And so you probably wonder, wait a minute, you did listen to like a 9 boy, but you don't mind because you're like Dutty Berry, you're youth. And so I salute you too. Okay? And for the moms them, for the grandmoms them, for the big woman them, we make sure say they look at me as their little grandson and then pray for me and so I'm covered and all them little something there. I love Uno because Uno love me, so I love Uno. And to the general them, we ensure so they support a trying Jamaican youth and watch the little video them a week time. I salute Uno too. Okay, and for the babies who enjoy my little theme song at the beginning when one can dance along and do a little big up Uno too. Uno might can't talk yet, but in time we can talk. And so I'm going to just put in a little prayer so they can get a nice present for Christmas. All right, I'm done the tangent there. All right, so let's get back to the, when am I reach now? Number 2. Anyway, yeah, man, I love the teacher them dance. Shell. Let me know what you thought of it down below.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's a girl Shensia and you're watching Dutty Berry social media countdown. Keep it locked. Shensia, jiggle my body, yeah, jiggle.
And number 1 goes to Jada Kingdom versus Meg the Stallion. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to Jada Kingdom versus Meg the Stallion. Now, burritos, let me just go and give you this whole entire story very quickly. So Meg the Stallion, American rapper, recently put out her single and music video called Cobra. And in it, she did share a particular line that suggested that she came home and found her ex-boyfriend cheating with someone in their home.
Pulled up, caught him cheating, getting his dick sucked in the same spot I'm sleeping.
Okay, so right there, that set the stage now. So you know the internet decided, all of the Meg Thee Stallion fans decided that they had to find out who was the culprit. Who was the person that our ex did cheat on? And if you do not know who Meg Thee Stallion's ex is, it is Party Fontaine. So Party, he's a rapper, he's in the industry over there, and people know that him did there with Meg Thee Stallion because they were very much public. But right after that relationship, Party decided that he was going to make several appearances with our Jamaican dancehall starlet, Jada Kingdom. And so they were rumored to be dating because you see them at, hang out and they're on a fashion week and all of these things. And so when the Meg Thee Stallion fans saw that lyric, they heard that lyric, they were just like, well, this person, where did break up Meg Thee Stallion relationship has to be Jada Kingdom.
And I still can't understand when him say that he suffer. Or who you tell that, or what? Where you want we say to that?
Jada Kingdom, they identified as the suspect. She was the prime suspect. And so everybody now started to go and dig up Jada Kingdom, looking at her pictures now. And so many conversations started online, people trying to decide who was hotter. Some people look up and say, all right, then Party, I understand. I understand why you did cheap on Megan now. I understand why Jada look good. Jada look strong. Jada look like she should make out a grown provision. Jada look like she cost the 5.6. Jada look like she could make a man have more than a... You know, I'm disgusting. You know, I'm discussing. Was I going to say Jada look like she could have make a man have more than a 5 point? Lord of mercy. You know my limit, Berry, limit. Look what you just mentioned the word a while ago. I know you're being very just learn the word. No, you're being very vituperacious. Vituperation. No, you're embodying vituperation. That is it. That is it. Come on, man. Look at me using the word. Let me just learn. But yeah, man, people were comparing Jada Kingdom and Meg the Stallion to see who was hotter, who have the better shape, who have the better face, and all of these things. And honestly, I don't really think it really called for. But you know, Twitter is going to do what Twitter does, okay? And so ultimately, the word got around to Jada Kingdom, and Jada Kingdom had to make a quick post to just tell the public that the person who Party might have had sex with in Meg the Stallion's room was definitely not her. She distanced herself from that situation. And can I blame her? Because ultimately, like, I know Jada's name been called up in a couple of things, but like, I'm glad she just make the people them know, say it wasn't her. Because they would have got drag her from now till tomorrow morning. But on the good side, I actually think as it relates to her name and her relevance in the American tabloids, this might have been a good thing, because a lot of persons now know who a Jada Kingdom is. And so I guess if she releases music, that name recognition can probably gain or bring about more interest in who she is as a brand. So Jada, if you're smart, just go and feel like or the little media circuit right now. You know, you have song put out and all of these things, which is good. But you might want to call up Party now and make a little quick little appearance just for, you know? Well, anyway, burritos, that is it. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. Please to hit the thumbs up button, like the video, man, okay, as well as to share the video with your friends and your family. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown, as well as to subscribe, because we're heading to 300,000 subscribers, okay? Follow me on all my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, aka X, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise within the countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.